In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate MailerLite with Shopify. We're going to walk through the entire process of connecting an embedded form from your MailerLite account directly into your Shopify online store theme. By the end, your visitors will be able to sign up to your MailerLite list right from your site, without any complicated setup. First, go ahead and log in to your MailerLite account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the option labeled Forms. Click on that. Inside the Forms area, you'll see different types of forms you can create. We're interested in embedded forms, so click on the Embedded Forms tab. Here, you can either choose an existing embedded form or create a new one. If you already have a form you'd like to use, find it in the list and click the Overview button for that form. If you don't have one yet, click Create Form at the top right, set it up the way you like, and then go to its overview page. On the form overview page, scroll down until you see a section or card that says something like Embed Form into your website. In that card, there will be a couple of options for how to embed the form. Make sure you select the HTML code tab. This will reveal the actual HTML snippet that MailerLite has generated for your form. Carefully select and copy all of that code. This is what we'll be pasting into Shopify. Now switch over to your Shopify admin and open your online store theme editor. You should see a live preview of your store on the right and a panel with sections on the left. In that left panel, click on Add Section. A list of different section types will appear. Scroll until you find one called Custom Liquid and then select it. Shopify will add a new Custom Liquid section to your page. You can drag the section up or down in the left panel to place it exactly where you want the form to appear on your storefront. With the Custom Liquid section selected, you'll see a field where you can enter code. Click inside that field and paste the HTML code you copied earlier from MailerLite. Give it a moment for the preview on the right to load. Once it updates, you should see your MailerLite form appear on the page. From here, you can use the options in the left panel to fine-tune how it looks. You can adjust the color scheme to match your branding, set the width so it fits nicely in your layout, and modify the top and bottom padding to give it enough breathing room. If you're comfortable with styling, you can also add custom CSS to refine the design even further. When you're happy with everything, save your changes in Shopify. Your MailerLite form is now fully integrated with your Shopify store, and visitors can start subscribing right away.